We recommend cleaning your device every few uses for the best vapor experience. Use the wire brush for heavier cleaning or the pipe cleaners for lighter cleaning. Remove the mouthpiece and the oven lid. Insert the wire brush into the vapor path to pop out the oven screen. Your oven screen should easily pop out, but if you're having trouble, use a cotton swab moistened with isopropyl alcohol to remove any buildup that may be holding your screen in place. Dip a pipe cleaner in isopropyl alcohol. Be sure to squeeze off any excess, then floss the pipe cleaner back and forth through the vapor path to remove any residue or buildup. Clean the inside of the oven and the top of the device using a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. You can soak the silicone mouthpiece and oven screen in isopropyl alcohol, but never submerge the oven lid in alcohol or water. Make sure the oven screen and the mouthpiece are completely dry before replacing. Complete the cleaning process by powering your device on and waiting for the LEDs to turn green. Turn off your device, then allow it to cool before your next use.